Hi friends, welcome to Saral Trader. Today I'm going to share a trade with you on the crude oil. This is the crude oil chart, and if you see, we have been, if you look at even 2 years chart, we have been in a range. On lower side is 66, and on the upper side we have been in the range of around 87, and we also made a high of 94. Now, for last 1 year or so, this has been the range from lower 68 and then 65, and on the upper side we touched 87. And since September, these are the weekly charts. Since September, multiple attempts by bears to break it down have failed, and we have been in a very consolidated zone on the lower 66, on the higher side 77, and majorly for last 2 months we are in a range of around 66 on the upper side to 72. A wide range, $10 range. Crude is a very volatile instrument. Now, on the weekly charts, we have a subtle alert. Now, this alert, if this plays out, we may see a significant move up towards 77, and the next target will be around 80. So we are bullish, getting into bullish zone. And if you look at the daily charts, also, you will see that that crude is trading above the this key $70 range, which has been pretty much the downside trend line per se. All moves fizzled out. Now, what can happen is that we can keep going higher and meet the targets. Crude is choppy, so it won't be a straight line. It will go up, then come down, but that's fine. But the bullish trend is there. So what we are going to do is we are going to again play it with our typical hedging style. So we'll buy contracts for crude oil contract, and we'll hedge it, and with a maximum risk of around 3.5% for next 6 months. Now, possible, we can go up and meet our targets. So, if we go to 77, 78, 70 or 80 kind of, we will get almost 60 to 70% of the overall move minus the hedging cost. But this setup is looking really good. And just in case crude doesn't go and it crashes, or say our risk will be limited to only 3%, and we will have 6 months. So once it comes down, say suppose 68 or maybe even lower, we will have ample time to adjust it. So this is one of the trades that I'm looking at, crude oil. And if you look at the weekly chart setup or here on the weekly chart, this weekly chart is giving a target of around 78 is going to be the first target, and 82 is going to be the next target. It can take 3 to 6 months. It can happen earlier as well. And in this method, even if the things go against us, we always have adjustments to do so that we can minimize our loss or come out in decent profits. So this is what I'm looking at in crude oil. If you have any opinion, any questions, do let me know. On the crude oil, our Saral system has very good accuracy. We get very good signals on all time frames, typically swing alerts. So, this is the swing that we got recently, which is still running. We are now in profits. We'll probably take out some profits. So, typically with our hedging system, crude oil, we generally make decent profits. We consistently make profits on futures trading. So, if you're looking at learning how to trade futures, especially swing trades, overnight trades with minimal risk, you can join my futures channel, and you can learn our hedging system. It's very simple. Saral means simple. So look forward to you guys. If you have any questions about the crude oil trade, do ping me. Thank you. Bye bye.